So we have seen about verb, noun, pronoun, adjectives, adverbs, conjunction, and now we will be talking about interjection. So our next topic will be interjection. So let us see, what do you mean by interjection? An interjection is a word that expresses emotions and feelings. Now when we say, for example, we hurt ourselves and the very first thing we say is ouch or ah. So these words like ouch, ah are all known as interjections. So an interjection is a word that expresses emotions and feelings. So examples are, hey, if you want to call somebody and you don't know his or her name, or you may be quite friendly with them, then you say them or you address them as hey. And if you hear something that is not good or is not pleasant, our immediate reaction will be oh no. So these are all interjections. Wow, when you see a beautiful scenery or something that is very pleasant to our sight, then we say wow. Ouch, this is when you hurt yourself on against something or you accidentally burn yourself, then you use the word ouch. Again, awesome. Awesome is a word that is used to say that something is really very nice. Hurrah, this is a word that you use when you come first in a race or somebody does something and comes first or succeeds, then you use the word hurrah. So all these words like hey, oh no, wow, ouch, awesome, hurrah are all known as interjections. So an interjection is a word that expresses emotions and feelings. So you bring out your emotions and feelings in the form of words such as hey, oh no, wow, ouch, awesome, hurrah. So we have an example for you. I have passed the exam. Hurrah, I have passed the exam. So you're very excited or elated about something that you have succeeded in doing. So then you say hurrah. So hurrah, I have passed the exam. Alas, the fish is dead. So alas is used when you're feeling remorse or sad about something. So you're sad that the fish is dead. So then you say alas, the fish is dead. So an interjection is a word that expresses emotions and feelings, and they are hey, oh no, wow, ouch, awesome. Example, hurrah, I have passed the exam, or alas, the fish is dead. So these are the words that expresses emotions or feelings.